Hi, today I'd like to show you how to make this cute lion craft. You might remember that the month of March comes in like a lion and out like a lamb. This video will show how to make the lion. The lamb will be available in our list of videos as well. Before we begin, let's make sure you have all the necessary supplies to create this project. Each teacher may be sending slightly different projects depending on what we were able to retrieve from our classrooms. To make this lion, you will need a piece of tan paper, a printout of eyes, 2 yellow squares, a stack of 1-inch orange strips, thin black strips for the whiskers, the letter L poem, and depending on your teacher, you may have a brown square to make a nose or an orange nose. You will also need scissors, white glue or glue stick, and a black marker or crayon. If you have everything you need, then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing we'll want to do is take our tan paper and cut the edges off to round the corners. This doesn't need to be perfect. We just don't want our lion to have a rectangular shaped head. We want to round his edges off a little bit. There we go. So now that I've rounded the edges, I'm going to take my copy of the eyes and carefully cut those out. And I'm just going to put them in place. I'm not going to glue them yet until I get all of my pieces cut. Next, I'm going to take my 2 yellow squares. I'm going to cut the ears. Now again, these don't have to be perfect, but I want them to both be the same. So I'm going to put both pieces together. And I'm going to cut up the side, around the top, and back down the side. I'll have 2 identical ears for my lion. Okay. Next, I'm going to set out my whiskers. I'm just going to crisscross those down here below his eyes. We'll glue those in a moment, okay? Then I'll need to choose if I want to make the orange nose or the brown nose, and depending on what's in your packet, you will have one or the other, or maybe both. Okay, my lion here has the brown nose. To make the brown nose, you take the brown square and cut a triangle. Okay. And you would place that right on top of the whiskers if you choose to do the brown one. For this lion, I'm going to go ahead and make the orange nose, so we'll be able to see what they both look like. So I'm going to cut out the orange nose shape. And place it right below his eyes. There we go. All right. The last thing that's going to go on the front of our lion is the L is for Lion Lou poem. Licking lemon lollipops, letters, love, and ladybugs. Oh, for Lion Lou. All right, I'm ready to start gluing these on. And you'll need to choose if you want to use your white glue or your glue stick. I'm going to use glue stick because I think it'll dry a little quicker for our video. So I'm going to just start picking things up and gluing them on. Okay, when I get to the whiskers, I'm actually going to pick them up and just put a spot of glue and lay them out. Now when I attach my nose, it will help secure the whiskers. There we go. Okay, the front of our lion is done. I'm going to go ahead and turn him over now so that we can start on his mane. All right. I'm going to take my 1-inch orange strips of paper. I'm going to lay them along the side of the lion's head. All right, now I'm just laying them out to figure out the spacing, where I want to have them, and how many I want to use. Here we go. Try to even them out a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and glue these into place on the back side of the lion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. Okay. Now when I turn my lion over, his mane is in place. All right, so the next step to make our lion look as handsome as this guy here will be to curl his mane. To do that, you'll have either a marker or a pencil, something skinny that you can roll the paper up in to curl it. So I'm just going to start at the end, and I'm going to wrap the strip of paper around the marker. I'm going to roll it all the way up to the lion and then pull it out. And I'm going to just go all the way around until I curl all the pieces of his mane. Okay, so now I have all of his mane curled. We just have a few final details to add. I'm going to go ahead and add a mouth with my black marker. I'm going to start at the tip of his nose and then just add a smile going each way. I'm also going to add some little freckles to his face. And I'm going to write the letter L on his ear because he is a lion. So over here, I'll do a capital L. And on his other ear, a lowercase L. And that's it. Our Lion Lou is finished. Thanks for making the Lion project with me today. I hope you enjoyed it.